We're live now. So question 1 and 2, whatever. And then question information. For the next 9 questions, we'll review the PTC tasting study with different data. Out of 70 females in the sample, 52 can taste PTC. Out of 59 males in the sample, 42 can taste PTC. Use the data present here. The P1 is the proportion of females in the population who can taste PTC, and let P2 be the proportion of males in the population. The research question for the study is here. Is the proportion of females who can taste PTC different than the portion of males who can taste it?
All right, so this is a two-tailed test, so you're just going to take the Excel sheet. You're going to hit the 2 proportion at the bottom. It's a different tab.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Oh, wow, I didn't see that at all. Okay.
Yeah. So what was it?
So then X1 would be
the 52.
52. And then N1 would be 70. And then X2 would be 42. And then N2 would be 59, correct?
Yep.
Cool. And the confidence interval is?
It was?
I don't think it said.
0.95?
I don't think it said, so I think we assume.
Yeah, you just assume it's 0.95 if it doesn't say. But the type of test, they want to see if they're different. So it's still a 2, the not equals 2 sign, but you can go down and it will give you the upper, it will give you greater than or less than.
Oh, so it's not equal to? Yeah.
It's equal to, but you can change it to greater than or less
Cool.
than.
Cool.
And then it's just already.
Okay. So use the data in the table to find P hat 1. And so P hat 1 is 0.743. Right?
That's what I have.
Wait,
Charity?
What? P hat? Is that what you got for P hat, Charity?
Yeah, 0.7 blah 0.734 or 43.
Yes, that's what I got too. Okay,
Sorry.
that's good. 712. Okay, and then for 4, I got 0.712.
Wait. So for P2, you got what?
0.712.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, cool. And then for question 5, set hypothesis is appropriate for addressing the research question. Is it the bottom one?
Sorry, I cut out for a second. Are we on 5?
It's the first one. First one, yeah. Sorry, I didn't see the change in. Are you there, Luke?
I'm here now, Yish.
Okay, perfect.
What is A?
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, create a 95 margin or confidence interval P1 minus P2 and put your answers for the point estimate, margin of error, and lower bound and upper bound. So
that's on there as well, and we don't have to reset the confidence interval. So you just have to remember, because it gives you the standard deviation confidence interval in the descriptive statistics one. So don't use those. Use the confidence interval in the 2 proportion z-test.
Oh, okay.
Oh, good call. So okay.
Point estimate 0.394.
Yep.
Man, this is just such a learning experience for me. Thanks for this.
Yeah.
Oh, it really helps. Like, I would have cried if we didn't have this. Like, it would have took me like 7 hours. Like,
yeah.
Right. So the lower bound is.
Wait, what's the margin of error?
The margin of error is you minus the upper from the lower and divided by 2, or you minus the lower from the upper and divided by 2. So,
where's the upper and lower at?
So they're on the Excel.
Negative 0.123 and 0.185.
Yeah, negative 0.123. Luke? I think he's frozen.
Oh, I just got completely cut out too. Can you hear me, Charity?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So for the margin of error, did you just subtract the greater minus the less than and divide by 2?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Sorry. But
Okay.
I'm here now. And guess what?
Okay.
Found you, Daddy. And sorry, too far? Okay.
So did you hear me when I said?
So do I minus the lower from the upper, or from the
Upper from the lower.
Okay, so the
Divide
upper
by
is the positive 0.185
Yeah. Minus.
the lower divided by 2.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I got 0.154.
Yep, that's what I got too. Okay, and then for the upper or the lower, you got negative 0.123.
Mm-hmm.
And then for the upper, 0.185.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Sorry, just to make sure I have it right. The margin of error you did 0.154.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, lower negative 0.123. Upper 0.185.
Yes.
Solid.
Okay, and so the p-value is greater than, so we fail to reject.
Yeesh. HO or HA?
HA.
It's HO.
Oh, is it? Ugh, I just get confused on that.
Yeah, it's confusing. The only reason why I remember is because alternative starts with A. And so I just read it that way.
Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study?
So there's insufficient evidence. So it's the top one or the bottom one.
It's the difference. So it's the bottom one.
Yeah. Cool. Oh, we can put more information into our little handy dandy notebook.
Nice.
It's so much fun.
I'm so excited about this now.
I know, right? Like,
this is the best. Okay. Heart attack outcomes. Nice. Let's see. For the next 9 questions, we will review the mortality rates and heart attack study with different data. Out of that many number who had a heart attack during the weekday, 16,713 had died. Out of the 42,437 that had a heart attack on the weekend, 6,155 had died. Please use the data presented here. Boom. Let P1, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied? Question mark?
we can check the requirements in the Excel output. We just have to put everything in.
Oh, yeah.
So
this one proportion then?
No,
it'll still be 2 proportions because there's group 1 and group 2.
Oh, see.
Okay, so for this, group 1 would be 1, 6, 7, 1, 3, and the N would be 1, 1, 8, 5. Sorry, 1, 9. I'll shut up now. And then
wait, so the N for group 1 is the 118.
519.
519.
118519. So X1 is 16713. Next one is 118519.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
X2 is 6155.
Yeah.
Oops.
And then N2 is at 42447.
Yes.
Yep.
So confidence interval of 9 then 0.95.
Yeah, we don't have to change that until it asks us for the confidence interval.
Sweet.
So, but they just want to see if there's a difference in the studies, so we still leave it on 2 tails.
Okay. So when it shows you on this Excel sheet if the hypothesis test is satisfied?
Yes. So on the like you open it and it says check requirements. And it tells you the first sample and the second sample and how large they have to be to satisfy both requirements.
Oh, so they're way greater.
Yeah, they're way greater than 10. So if they're way greater than 10, then yes, they've been satisfied.
Then we're perfect.
So question 13 is the second one then. Right?
Wait, I haven't got to question 13 yet. Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
C. I'm going to say C.
Yeah, so 13.
B, but like C as in correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, question 13 is the second one.
What?
P1.
P hat. Wait. Yeah, P hat 0.141.
Yeah.
Man, I like this Excel sheet.
It makes it so much easier, seriously. I'm just glad you guys could get it. I felt so bad. I was like, oh no. I felt like I was cheating because like you guys didn't have it, but I was like, I'm not plugging in those numbers. Like, I'm sorry. Like, all right, so P hat 2 is 0.145.
Yep. And then Z-score, I got negative 2.020.
Yep. Negative 2.020. With this one though, it's weird because like with the Z-score last time on one of them, it was like -4 point something, and I was like, that can't be right, and then it was.
So we did negative 2.020.
Yeah.
Cool. And then 17 is to the left.
I think so.
Everything we shade the box to the left.
Because like we should shade the box to the left, but
Everything shades in a box to the left.
were we shading? I thought we were doing the difference, not upper or lower, so it should be both.
Yeah, that's what I thought too, but you can't check both, so I'm just doing left.
Yeah, but if you can't check both, then we might have to change the, because like it gives you the box. Like it gives you the box to change if you want like right tail.
Oh, it's who die less. It's who die less.
So we have to go back into the applet thing.
Okay, so hold on, sorry. It's the people who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekday die less than the weekend. So it's going to be P1 is less than P2. Sorry, I just had to say that out loud so I could understand it.
Yeah, see, that changes our p-value, and it didn't change our p-hat or anything like that, but so it's P1 and then wait, that's P2 is greater than. So wait, so less than so when you're doing less than, is the arrow pointing to P1 or P2? I'm confused.
So it's arrow pointing to P1.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah, so it's to the left.
I was just feeling stupid for a second. So did that, because it changed our p-value, but it didn't change our z-score.
Yeah, it didn't change anything else.
Okay. That's just, I just wanted to make sure that I didn't just mess you guys up. I was like, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So then the p-value is 0.022?
Yeah. And so you reject the null. And so now there's sufficient. So bottom two.
Is less than or the same?
It's less than.
So it's the third one.
Yeah.
Cool, Leo. I'll go submit it.
Okay.
Oh, I missed 2.
Really?
So I missed question 13 and question 6.
Is it the p hat one on 13?
13. Hold on.
Did you put
13.
13 is which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question.
Oh, dang it. We didn't look at that one closely enough. So that one's the last one.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't realize that. So 13 and what else?
And numero 6.
Okay, I'm stopping.